Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, tell me, class, can you remember the topic that we did yesterday in your when we were doing on the second day of week 14? Can you remember? Yes, we did the topic the sun, stars, and the star. The sun and the stars is actually the main topic. In this topic, we are doing different topics, subtopics, right? So, what today we are going to do is also related to the sun, stars, and all the other things, and what that topic is, and that is solar system, about solar system. Now, have you ever heard this name before? Solar system, class? No? Now, what solar system means actually? Solar system means the planets. The planets. Have you ever heard the name planets? Yes? You must have seen in movies, you must have seen on television or something like that, right? You must have heard this name, right? So, what is now? Remember what we did in the class related to planets in the previous class? That was I showed you about the different objects that we see at day and night, right? So today we are going to learn about solar system, and that is what is solar system. It comprises of different planets. Now remember what is this I showed you? What is this picture? What is this I'm holding? The big ball. This is our earth. What is this? It is our earth. You know that. So this earth looks like this. Our earth where we all live looks like this when we look from the space. It looks like a ball from the space. Right? You understand? So all the other planets, they also look like a ball. If you look from the space, they look like a ball. But the balls are of different sizes. Some may be small, some may be big, some may be very tiny. And how many balls are there? Like how many planets are there? Can anybody tell me? There are 9 planets. How many planets? There are 9 planets. 9 planets are there in the space, right? And those are different planets. We are going to learn their names today. Now, what are the 9 planets? Like, let's see. Okay. Can you see my screen, children? Yes? Okay. Now here you can see there are 9 planets. This is Mercury, Venus, this is your Earth, this is Mars, this is Jupiter, this is Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. And this is the Sun. Now Sun is in the middle and all the planets are revolving around the Sun. And remember the planets which are nearer to the Sun will be what? Yes, they will be hotter. They will be much hotter and they will have daytime which are nearer to the sun, whereas the planets which are away from the sun, they will have nighttime, right? So can you see these planets, how different they are? You can see Mercury is different. You can see Venus is of yellow color and it is a little smaller than Mercury. Then you can say Earth is a little bigger. Mars is a little smaller. Why Mars is of red color? Because it's very hot on Mars. It's terribly hot on Mars. Okay, on this planet Mars. Now you can see the size of Jupiter a little bigger. Then Saturn, how this planet looks like. It's different from all the other planets. Yes, Saturn is different from all the other planets. And this is Uranus. It is also a little tiny. Neptune and Pluto is the smallest planet. You understood? Alright, so these were all the different planets. Now we are going to learn their names. So I'm going to show another picture which is going to help you more to understand the planets. Now, this is Sun, then you can say Mercury is a little smaller. This is Venus, your Earth, Mars, again it's of red color. Jupiter is a little bigger. Saturn is again, it looks totally different from other planets. Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Now see, when the planets are like that, life on the planets is also very, very different. It is very difficult. It is not, sometimes it happens you can live on planets, but on Mars, since it is very hot, the life over there is not possible. It's impossible. So children, can you learn the names with me now? Come on, say the names with me. Mercury, Mercury, Venus, Venus, Earth, Earth, Jupiter, Jupiter, Saturn, Saturn, Uranus, Uranus, Neptune, Neptune, and Pluto. What is this? Pluto. Okay. Now, let's write down these names on the board. Now, first name is Mercury. Mercury. Then Venus. Okay. Then it is Earth. Okay. Then it is Jupiter. Jupiter. Then it is Mars. Then it is Saturn. Okay. Then it is Uranus. Okay. Neptune. And the last one is Pluto. Now, very quickly, you are going to write down their names in your notebook. You can write down from my board or here, and you can easily see from here, write down all the names of these 9 planets. First, write down the names, and later on, you can draw a solar system in the form of a big circle showing all these planets, right? Okay, so quickly, have you written? Yes? Okay, that's good. Alright, class. Now, how you are going to draw? You are going to draw the solar system like this. Here is the sun. Okay, now here is one planet, then other planet, then other planet. Got it? You understood? Like this, you are going to draw circles, and then you are going to write the names of different planets like I'm going to explain you. Okay, now first you will write down Mercury. Start doing with me your work, okay? Otherwise you will not understand. Mercury. Done? Then you will write Venus. Venus. Then you will write Earth. After Earth, you will write Mars. After Mars, Jupiter. Then after Jupiter, Saturn. Then after Saturn, Uranus. After Uranus, you write down Neptune. And the last one is Pluto. Okay, so draw these and write down the names. I am going to give you extra time, and that is, you can say, 7 minutes. And your time starts now. Your time starts now. Start drawing and write. Okay, time is up. Time is up. Okay, have you written? Have you drawn? Show me your picture. Very good. You may color it later on. But the one thing which I have to explain you is that you need to learn their names. Learning is very important. You should know the names of all these 9 planets. Okay, drawing is not an issue. Learn the names, and this is only your homework. I might ask you in the next class what are the names of these planets. Okay, so do learn it, do draw it, and color it nicely, make it nicely at home, because right now you don't have that much time. You just need to draw and write down the names. You can do coloring at home, and do remember to do the homework and learning the names of these planets, and do learn the spellings as well. Okay, class? All right, children. Okay, bye bye. See you in your next